Hello and welcome back to my Wudang Academy channel. Today I'm going through a viewer request. We are going through the Tai Chi push hands today. But because of COVID season I have no second individual, but I will try to get you close to the principles and the execution, movement and what is all behind the Tai Chi push hands. Okay, so let's get going and see what we can do. So first you want to have a posture looking with the front leg 90 degrees forward. Make sure you stand relaxed so your gravity center can go evenly between back and front leg, around 50-50%. Yes, so you should feel stable in your posture, be slightly soft in your knees. So when we are in this posture, make sure that with your gravity center you always do a circle. You see here, first you rotate right, then you rotate left. You come slightly forward to 60%, then rotate again, you're reaching back to 50-50% between each leg, and then you repeat. So you turn to the left, you turn to the right, you turn to the left, you turn to the right, all right? But basically, we always stay in front of 50-50%. You should never go 60% to the back leg. Be careful, because if you're pushing the other person and you're going beyond 50-50% backward, he will be able to push you backward. So keep this in mind. You can try circle around with this movement first to get used to the coordination. So make sure when you turn to the right, you keep the knee soft. And when you turn to the left, you come forward slightly, around 60%. And then you go backward. You see? Yes? So basically, when you see in front of my gravity center, it's always like so, you see? Okay? All right. One more coordination would be that you step forward. This is possible. You can practice it with this type of coordination. See here again. Now we step when we come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Always make sure that after the step, you don't go backward too much, you always go forward and reach back to 50-50%. Watch it one more time. So here, 1, step, 2, step, 3, step. You should never stop the rotation. Rotation is very important in Tai Chi push hands, so make sure that the legs and the rotation coordinate accordingly. I will do it in front of the camera once so you can see it. You see, my gravity center looks here. So we go here. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? One more time here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 50-50%. Don't go over. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? This is the basic stepping of the Tai Chi push hands. Of course, you should be able to do it on the other side too. So then the other leg is in front and the right leg is here. You shift to 50-50% and same again. Yes? You're going like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Understand? So the rotation should be around 45 in and 45 out. 45 in, 45 out, and you step. The front leg always looks forward, and so does the knee. All right, so let's get to step 2. by actually using our hands. Yeah? The movement is called Tai Chi push hands. So this is probably now more the complicated part. First, try to follow my hand accordingly. Yes? The hand is always in front of your heart, of your center, right here. Don't do it here. You want to have the power to push in all directions. So when the hand is centered, you're able to push in any way, okay? So make sure that the hand always stay here in the front line, directly in front of the opponent, okay? So now the movement is as follows. You see the elbow is always relaxed and looks down. And now we go. So basically, this movement is has a lot more into it. You breathe in, relax. You breathe out, push out. Yes. You turn to the right, you relax. You turn out to the left, you breathe out. Make sure you coordinate these two movements. All right? Let's see it from the side. See here. Basically, this movement is all about the correct angles. Once you reach over a certain angle, you are at a disadvantage. And this is what you want to prevent. The second priority is relaxation. If you're not relaxed, you won't be able to feel the intention or the power. We can say it more simplified, I think. You will be able to feel what direction of power your opponent wants to go. So this is quite important. You want to relax as much as possible and not add unnecessary tension. So make sure during this coordination you try to be relaxed in the movement, which is of course very hard when you start with this. First you learn the coordination and then try to relax and breathe accordingly, all right? So there are a few principles. The hand, let's simply watch the hand for once, okay? So when the hand is going, you see the hand is going in spiral motion. And the whole arm is going back and forth. But not because I'm moving the elbow. It's because I turn the upper body, you see? So then the hand goes back and forth, but the elbow don't move. As you can see, the elbow is relaxed and looks always to the ground. Also, about the angles we talked about. The fingers should never go beyond like so. Keep the fingers as horizontal as possible, and when you want to add pressure, the fingers go up. You see here. Now we turn in, the arm comes forward because I turn to the left side, and now the fingers go up. This way we are pushing. 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you see the movement of the fingertips, it's a spiral motion. So in front, the movement should look like a circle. You see? The fingertips are like a circle in the movement. And by going back and forth, it becomes a spiral motion. So basically, let's try that with the other hand too. You see here, again, the hand is in front, the elbow don't move, and we're turning left, turning right, turning left, turning right, turning left, turning right, all right? So this is the movement, okay? Let's do it on the side. the smaller and more compact this movement becomes, the faster you can adjust your angles. You want to throw off the opponent in the push hands, and a large motion will make you slow in the reaction and in the execution of directing a power. So you want to try to keep the push hands as small and compact as possible, so you can direct power at will. So it should look like this, you see. It's very compact, very focused. It shouldn't look like so, you know. That's no good. You have plenty of room to be attacked from your opponent. Simply push here, you will fall around. It's no good. Keep it small, keep it compact, and always go forward. The tension goes forward. Try relax the shoulder, try relax everything, and simply go straight forward to the center of the opponent. So now let's go through of what we have learned. So I will show you now both sides on a side view. We start with the right hand, so I guess we should start over here. And watch my shifting of the gravity center. We will take a step forward every time we're pushing. The left hand, you can simply relax on the lower right arm and try to keep it centered, compact, small, and focused. Always coordinate the breathing. And it is because of the rotation that we don't shift backward too much. What we don't want looks like this. Be careful. See, when I don't do the rotation, you see, I need to shift with the upper body around so much. This is no good. You want to keep it centered and step forward each time. Forward, center. Forward, center. Watch it carefully once again. We are not stepping backward, only 50-50. And step forward again. Understand? So I will show you once to the front. All right, and let's do the other side with the other hand. Again, 50-50. Oh yeah, I forgot. Some have this question about how to step with the back leg. Don't step close, because then you're not in control. You will fall backward. You want all the time a stable posture. So once you go forward and attack, you want to regain your stable position. Attack, stable position. So the other leg is only stepping half step, or as small as possible, all right? So let's do it once again and try focus on the back leg and see the transition of my gravity center. What's often wrongly perceived in the Western countries, or the so-called Tai Chi push tournaments, which are not really Tai Chi push hands at all, they try to overpower the opponent, which is not the reason why we practice Tai Chi push hands, okay? You're not overpowering with strength. You are overcoming with being soft and relaxed by having the right technique, the right angle, the right movement, the right coordination, and of course the relaxation to go over this problem. So if someone has a disadvantage situation where he needs to use power, he already lost. If you try to compare power against power, who's the strongest, then of course the strongest wins, but this is not the point of the Tai Chi push hand practice. Once the power is equal, the one with the more superior technique wins, of course. And this is what the Tai Chi push hand is about. So once you're feeling that you need to use strength into your Tai Chi push hand with the opponent, it's not Tai Chi push hand anymore. Both should stop and start over again and try to relax and breathe and coordinate, like in all of the Tai Chi principles. So I guess with this you get the most out of your Tai Chi push hand practice. Don't be ignorant, don't try to overpower your opponent, try to play around. That is what the Tai Chi Chuan is about, and it will help you then later on in the combat situation when you really need to use strength to overcome your opponent. But keep in mind what Tai Chi push hand is about, and keep in mind the Tai Chi principles. So this was our little video. I hope you enjoyed the content. You can leave feedback in the comment section below, or simply check our new community forum, because I redesigned the whole website and it was a lot of effort. I will simply be very active and answer all your post questions, suggestions you have on this forum. So make sure to take a look. And if you're interested in Wudang Samfeng Pai, we are always actively translating new content. Yes. So you can actually understand everything in English, and I will try to post it on the website or on the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to both platforms, alright? And I'm not sure if I'm able to bring out another video before end of the year, so in this case, Happy New Year and see you soon in 2021. Stay tuned to Wudang Academy, and we will bring out amazing stuff next year. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.